Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram. First, open your Telegram. And then from here, go to Settings. Settings is located on the lower right part of your screen. Tap on that. And then of course, make sure you're logged in to your account. From here, tap on Privacy and Security. And then under Privacy, you'll see Phone Number. Tap on that. As you can see in here, the part when it says who can see my phone number, it's everybody. But of course, we want it to be nobody because we want to hide it. So tap on Nobody. And who can find me by my number? You can tap on Just My Contacts. And that's how to hide phone number on Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.